50 years of developing the Korean automobile industry. Seco has continued to achieve technological innovation and realize values beyond that of just an automobile parts company. And for the next 100 years, Seco is planning to continue creating a brighter tomorrow. Shareholder, employee, customer, oriented. Seco. Seco started as a small company called the Seoul Gangup Company in 1966. Under the motto of diligence and cooperation, a workplace that feels like home, a company that feels like a family business, and making employees feel like family. All of the employees at Seco work together for the people, the quality of their products, and their clients. In 1972, the company changed its name to Seojin Industrial. And in the 1980s, it started manufacturing frames for cars, presenting remarkable progress as an automobile parts company. In the 1990s, the car body and driving divisions were separated, which laid the foundation for the advancement of Seojin Industrial, Seojin Automotive, and Seojin Cam today. In the 2000s, automobile parts companies Comos, Eco Plastic, and Aya became new members of the Seco family. And Seco became the true total automobile parts company. Also, manufacturing factories were established in China, India, the US, and the Czech Republic, in addition to a corporate sales body in Shanghai and an office in Dubai to complete the formation of a global network. As a living witness of Korea's automobile industry's development, Seco is becoming Korea's representative company, specialized in automobile parts in the global market. Seojin Industrial, Seojin Automotive, Seojin Cam, Eco Plastic, Comos, and Aya. Seco has been realizing values beyond that of an automobile parts company with competitiveness and advanced technology. Not settling for the present, but taking on new challenges. Seco is concentrating all of its abilities on developing technologies that will lead the future automobile era. Celebrating their 50th year anniversary, Seco will take a new leap towards becoming a newer, more creative company with a freer culture. Aiming for the national top by 2018 and the global top by 2023. Seco will strive to become a beloved global company. Seco will become a company that fulfills social responsibilities, is loved by its shareholders, earns respect from its employees, and exists in harmony with the environment. To deliver customer satisfaction and a lasting impression. Seco.